Good morning, everyone. I may look like भाई बहुत horrible बहुत ज़्यादा, but I have been sick for 15 days now, since 3rd of April, and today is 60th April, I think. And I was diagnosed with typhoid. Come with me today to my second last or last doctor's appointment, depend on the context. But before going to the doctor, I have multiple things to do. It's 6:15 right now. That's why I'm saying so. I am speaking so softly because everyone is slept right now. Everyone is already sleeping right. Everyone is sleeping right now behind me. I want to show you something, guys. लाडले तेरे होंगे बाइसेप्स, मेरे तो इंजेक्शन वाले स्टिकर्स है. Whatever, guys, I have to make tea, then make roti, then get freshen up, and then clean the kitchen, do the dishes, do the laundry, mop the floor, and multiple things before I have to leave the house at 11 because doctor's gonna come at 1 and I have to go to Jogeshwari for that. So train issues might happen, auto issues might happen. If everything speed up, congratulations, I'm at 12. If took everything took delay, matlab if all the odds are against me, then of course it might take a lot of time. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna show you my medicines. ये इतनी सारी मेडिसिन है भाई. There are 6 medicine in each wrap. I don't know क्या बोलते हैं इसको. I think 6 and these 3 9 medicines, and they also give me injections. They have already gave me 3 injections, and maybe today they will give me another injection, and then after that also I don't know, but I have there is a possibility that there might also be an injection. 3 days in a row I got an injection, and today is the 4th day of injection, guys. Actually, I needed to change doctor 2 times because the previous doctor wasn't, uh, has degree enough for the symptoms I was having, and he was like maybe just treating the normal fever, normal infection, maybe understanding it as a viral fever. Then I went to a very experienced doctor, 82 years old, over the 50 years of experience, and he after 2 3 days he actually diagnosed without a test that yeah, you got typhoid. My fever was coming, then going back, then returning, then going back. Let's see whatever happens on the doctor's appointment. You can see on my face that I'm not functioning properly. I'm not functioning right. I am like, क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ, क्या चल रहा है दुनिया में. Okay, let's spend a day with me today. Guys, this is the cooking. This is okay. Belan, Vati. I'm ready and let's go. The train was yet to come, that's why I came here. Sun is slapping so hard. He gave me another injection. Like this is my fourth injection. At this point. I cannot see even my own phone and camera because the sunlight is so high right now. But now we just have to go back to our home. Oh yeah, I haven't recorded anything, but I'm still learning. I'll improve. Don't worry. She's not a ghost, she's just a person. भाई कोई इंसान ऐसा बीमार दिख सकता है? वो भाई बहुत दर्द हो रहा है मुझे. Let's go get something to eat. पता ना मैं सुइयां सुइयां से Guys, it was a long day. The place